Thus far, we used CSS transitions and animations to animate our elements in and out and to animate the transition between two elements. We can also use JavaScript because with JavaScript we can of course also influence the style, position and much more of such an element, or anything we want basically. Now Vue.js allows us to also listen to certain events this transition element Vue.js ships with emits. So this transition component we wrap our elements in emits some events at certain points of time. And we can listen to these events to execute our own JavaScript code. Now, the missing piece is to know which events are emitted at which point of time. And here we see a similar pattern as with the CSS classes. We add our element and then we remove it, and upon adding, we first have the before enter hook. This is kind of comparable to the enter CSS class being attached for one frame. Then right after we get the enter hook. This is where we would then typically play our animation. Then we have after enter. This is new and is executed once the animation finished. And important note, you can combine all that with your CSS classes. You can also execute some other code in each of these hooks, so that is perfectly possible. And we have the after enter cancelled hook, which is called whenever we kind of say change the condition which would add the element before the animation finished. Well, and then here we got the same hooks for leaving it or for moving it out. We got before leave, leave, after leave, and after leave cancelled. These are the hooks we got available. As I said, you can mix them with CSS. They get executed anyways. You can change the style of the element here or do something completely different or nothing at all like we did before. But now let's have a look at how we can use these hooks to play a nice animation purely through JavaScript.